Go to sleep, little bird.
Mummy, what's a bird?
I don't remember. Beautiful creatures, love. They can fly.
Fly? Like rockets?
No, not like rockets. We like birds. We hate rockets, don't we?
Are Daddy and Liam birds? He said they're looking at us from above.
No, love. They're like you and me. They're people too.
So where are the birds?
Look, we have one right here.
I want to see a bird, a real one.
You will one day. They'll come back.
Why are they gone, Mum?
Now, in the early hours of the morning, sirens warning of rockets went off in southern Israel.
You can see puffs of smoke where those rockets are intersecting. Missile barrage from the body of the
A furious barrage of missiles. Windows were blown in.
We've now seen a third barrage of rockets coming in, and Iron Dome missiles going up to intercept.
Many overseas in Israel
There was a
shocking
massacre in
and
this, but
terrifying.
families have been torn apart. The fate of their loved ones is often unknown.